Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will replace the mirror damper on a Canon FTb. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please do, and activate the notifications bell. The mirror damper in this camera is very deteriorated and falling apart. It needs to be replaced. To get better access, let's remove the lens mount. To do that, first we need to remove the front cover. There are only two screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. To remove the lens mount, we need to remove the 4 cross screws. Be careful because sometimes the screws can be very tight. Mark the position of the lens mount. The notch must stay on the top of the camera. Using a non-metal tool, remove the old foam, with the camera turned over, so it won't fall in the mirror box. Using a Q-tip and lighter fluid, clean the surface. Cut a 37 by 3 mm strip of 3 mm foam. Remove the protective paper, and glue the strip of foam to the camera. The old foam left a very visible mark in the mirror. I will try to clean it gently, with a Q-tip and lens cleaner fluid. Don't apply too much pressure on the Q-tip, or you may scratch the mirror. Now, let's reassemble the camera, in the reverse order. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel.